Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by choosing what proofs you can report and deliver. Pick 8 to 12 publishable clips across text, audio, and video. Fewer weak pieces dilute impact. Once selected, write a 1 to 2 sentence context blurb for each. Explain your role, reporting time, and outcome. Make sure to remove drafts and unattributed rewrites. This first action gets you past hesitation and creates the raw material the rest of the portfolio will organize and present. You now assemble those clips into a clear, navigable platform. Choose a fast-loading site or a well-designed PDF. Prioritize mobile readability. Once done, group stories by beat, medium, or chronology and add tags and dates so editors find relevance quickly. Make sure to include a concise bio, contact info, resume link, and a few key metrics like audience, engagement, or exclusives. Organize so a hiring editor can scan, and you finish by polishing and validating every element. Proofread copy, compress media for speed, and test links on desktop, phone, and tablet. Make sure PDFs open and audio plays. Once done, send the portfolio to 2 trusted editors for specific feedback and iterate only on high-impact changes. If links break or content gets paywalled, host a backup PDF of the piece or provide screenshots and clear notes. This troubleshooting step ensures the portfolio reliably presents your work when opportunities arrive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.